школы предоставляется директору основательной школы дизайна Chandigarh Виниту Радж Капур, который присоединился, которым только что было заключено соглашение. Здравствуйте, скажите, пожалуйста, несколько слов.
Hello, can you hear me? Yes? Cool. Hi. Thanks and thanks a lot to Anna, Nikolaeva, Victoria, Arseny, Ivan Krupin and others that I know at Stieglitz. Thanks to Stieglitz to provide me with this opportunity to address the students and learners and storytellers of animation. I represent my studio Virtual Soft, which has worked on many Russian animations, including Leo and Tig, Secret Garden, and others. We also take Indian animation delegations to Korea everywhere. I also intend to take Russian animation delegation this year to Korea. We must work together and help each other to get our stories to the world. I also represent my institute SXILL and Chandigarh Design School and our collaboration with Stieglitz, Nust Mrs. and Universal University in Russia. We have been gaining expertise in 3D character animation upscaling and have won many awards. Our students won for that. But I represent today countless animation learners and storytellers across the world. And today, the day is about animation in Russia, about Stieglitz. Animation has no language, no religion, no color. Animation allows us to share our stories easily without being judged. Learning of animation is not about learning drawing. It's not about learning acting. It is about learning sensitivity, empathy, philosophy, psychology, and just everything about world and the humans and other living beings. As an animator, we bring stories to life. Stories are not about aliens about to attack us. They can be about bacteria in my stomach, what they do for me, about a lady living in slums and surviving, about passion and drive, about purpose in life. Most of the things we live by are not what we are taught to us at school. They're about what we learned through stories and through friends, who again learned them through stories. So animators only bring those stories or books to life. They help us know things better, they help us know each other. But that also brings a responsibility of interpreting the story correctly and not distort it with our bias. I think today, let us celebrate that spirit of animation. Let us work together, collaborate on stories, and bring the world together. I think that is about what I wanted to say today. And thanks for the opportunity again to helping me connect with all of the animators across the world. Thank you.
Итак, мистер Капур посвятил свое представление о задаче, роли, миссии аниматора. Ассамблея анимации собрала многих профессионалов, тех, кто готовится стать профессионалом, тех, кто изучает анимацию, тех, кто работает в этом направлении и объединяет и чувства, и чувствительность с очень большим количеством психологизма,